So now we're going to talk about greater than, less than, okay, or equals to, and using coins. So let's check how you guys did here. So on number 2, you have 68 cents and you have 4 quarters. Okay, so you have to figure out which is more, which is less. In this case, I'm going to do what I did over here. 2 quarters I know is 50. Another 2 quarters, 50. Okay, I know that equals 100. The other thing, that's 100 cents, by the way, which is also the same as $1. Okay, the other thing, guys, if you know that 4 quarters equals $1, okay, that would really help you with this. That's a good thing to remember, that 4 quarters equals $1. Okay, so you want to look right up at the board while I'm showing you this so you can see it really carefully. So I have 68 cents or 100 cents. I know 100 cents is more, so I'm going to open my mouth and take a big bite of that 100 cents. Okay, because the mouth's going to take a bite of the big number. That's what you can think of, the bite of the big number. It points to the small number and takes a bite of the big one. Alright, this next one is all coins, so I'm going to have to add these coins up. And again, if you forgot what's what, you just go and look at your key that you made at the beginning of your test. Okay, maybe you wrote that right on your paper to remind you. Stuff that I have a hard time remembering, I always write it right on my paper at the beginning, so that I don't have to think about it and I can just use it to help me. Okay, that's a strategy. So you could either look up here where you wrote it or look over here at your key. I know dimes are 10, 20. Alright, so I'm actually going to do this. For my dimes I have 20. My nickels are 5, 5, 10, 15. Okay, I know that I have 15 for nickels. Remember, I'm going to be adding these right together. And for pennies I have 2. And those are just 1. So that's 2 cents. 1, 2. So I have to add those together. So I have 20, 35, 36, 37. So all together I have 37 cents over here. And over here, let's see how many cents I have. I have 25, and 5, and 1. So that's 31 cents. Well, I know that 37 cents is bigger than 31 cents. Okay? So I'm going to draw the big mouth towards the 37. Alright? This one's kind of tricky. There's no quarters or dimes or nickels or pennies here, but look at the numbers. They're the exact same numbers, but they're in a different order. Okay? So in order to figure out which one's bigger, you start with the first number. Well, those numbers are the same. That doesn't help me. Okay? They're the same, so it doesn't matter. The next number, okay, we see a decimal point. Okay? So that's the same. That's the same. It doesn't help me. Go to the next number. This one's a 1. This one's an 8. Well, this one's bigger. Okay, because I got to a big number first, starting with the left, so I'm going to take a bite of that bigger number. Alright, for the next one, 3 quarters and 3 dimes. If I were you, if you have trouble remembering about quarters and dimes and things, and other coins, I would draw it. I would do this. Q, Q, Q. You know why? Because then it looks like just what you've been doing up here. Alright? So I would say 3 quarters and 3 dimes. I would do D, D, D. Because then all you have to do is count. Let's see, I remember 2 quarters is 50. I know I have to add another 25 because quarters are 25. I have it right here. 3 quarters, this is a good thing to remember too, equals 75 cents. Okay? And 3 dimes, 10, 20, 30. Equals 30 cents. So I have to say which is bigger. 75 cents or 30 cents? Well, it's 75 cents. That's bigger. Okay? Now this one I have 10 dimes and $1. Okay? So I can draw my dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I can count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I have 100 cents here. Okay? Well, $1, I know that equals 100 cents. So, for this one, these guys are equal. 100 cents equals 100 cents. Alright? And then for this one, 7 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dimes or 67 cents. So this already tells me it's 67 cents. Now I just have to add up my tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So this is 70 cents. Okay? 70 cents. I know that 70 cents is more than 67 cents, so I draw the big mouth pointing that way. Okay, so that's greater than and less than with coins.